In this short, we solve or we prove this problem. Problem is cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x is equals to cot x. We take LHS. LHS is equals to cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x. We know the formula of cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. This is for cos and sin. Sin x minus sin y is equals to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Here we apply cos x plus cos y to numerator, sin x minus sin y to denominator. 2 cos 7x plus 5x divided by 2 cos 7x minus 5x divided by 2 divided by 2 sin minus 7x minus 5x divided by 2 into cos 7x plus 5x divided by 2. 2 cos 7x plus 5x 12x divided by 2 cos 2x divided by 2 divided by 2 sin 2x divided by 2 cos 12x divided by 2. Here 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 2 ones, 2 6, 2 ones, 2 6, 2 cancel. Cos 6x cos x divided by sin x cos 6x, cos 6x, cos 6x cancel. Cos x divided by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x is equals to cot x, that is equals to RHS. Here LHS is equals to RHS. In this way we solve this type of problems. Cot 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x